In those stories in detail now. More items including a three-wheeler were discovered from the site of the landslide that recently hit Mirabad, the Koslanda, following search operations that were carried out in the area yesterday.
Sector Commander Central, Major General Manu Pereira stated that a body was also discovered in yesterday's search operations. He noted that search operations will be continued until there is confirmed information of details pertaining to those who are missing. Major General Manu Pereira further stated that search operations were disrupted owing to bad weather conditions yesterday, however adding that search operations in search of those who have gone missing will be carried out today as well. Meanwhile, Assistant Director of the Disaster Management Centre Badula District, RML Uday Kumar, stated that over 3,800 persons in the Badula district have been affected by the threats posed by landslides and incessant rains. He noted that 2,346 persons belonging to 535 families in Norelia were presently being housed in 21 shelters. Meanwhile, Minister of Disaster Management Mahinda Amaravira stated that relief efforts are expediently being provided for those who have been displaced. Senior geologists point out that receiving rainfall of over 100 millimeters has a strong impact on the activation of landslides. Vice Chancellor of the Peradeniya University, Professor of Geology Atula Senaratne, stated that the general public must be vigilant about this situation. Professor Kapila Dahanayaka of the Peradeniya University noted that public awareness programs on the threat of landslides must be carried out in both Sinhala and Tamil languages. Meanwhile, the landslide warning issued for 7 districts continues to remain in effect. The National Building Research Organisation states that the districts of Kegol, Ratnapura, Kandy, Badulla, Norelia, Kalutara and Matale have been issued with this landslide warning. Senior geologist of the NBRO, Dr. Gamini Jayatissa, stated that this warning will be effective until 5:30 p.m. today. He advised the general public to immediately inform the NBRO of any areas which show signs of being prone to landslides on the hotline 0112 588 946.